Hello, everybody. This is just a test. We're testing out some new streaming software here at Project Babbage. I do believe that we are live. Please post in the chat if you can see that we are or are not live. I guess you wouldn't be able to see it if we weren't. So, yep, here we are. We're just testing this new streaming software. So let's go ahead and play a random intro. All right, now we're back. It showed that I was muted during the intro, which is exactly what we wanted to see. Now we can test various different things. We got these cool little transitions to play with, different things we can have on the feed, and we should test one thing which is related to the autofocus. So if you want to say something, Mike, if you unmute, I'll mute, and that way we can see if it autofocuses you.
Okay, now I'm speaking. How do we tell from autofocus?
I don't think it focused you.
Oh, okay. Well, that's fine. I don't,
Okay. All right. Here you go.
And then I speak, and
I don't think the autofocus is working.
Okay. All right. Well.
So yeah, we're just testing this out in various ways. We're going to see how it's working and try a few different things. I mean, don't have too much planned here, but mainly just want to see about presenting as well. And then if people are in the chat, just please post a message so we can see if the chat is working. Let's go to comments. So it says, I see. Okay, so I'm going to write a test comment as well. And I've just sent the test comment. And so now if we click on it, right. Okay, so it looks like Project Babbage says test comment. And that appears to work. And I want to test obviously we know that we can present. So if I want to share a screen or a window in this case, we can say, hello everybody and welcome to this coding tutorial. Let's actually add this. There we go. Right. Okay, so now there's the feed from this window. And if I, so Mike, if I say I'm going to select this open source software called Mountaintops, and I'm just going to try to pan around and open some code up and everything. Right now, I'm using my screen magnifier to pan around it. Is it actually showing any of that, or is it just allowing people to see the code?
I don't even see.
If you go to the stage,
okay,
or if you go to the studio, do you see that the Visual Studio Code window is open?
I'm looking at the feed right now.
Oh, actually live on the air?
I'm looking at what is live. I can see the live counter in the top left corner. So I think you're talking about, we have a demo scene 2 here. But if I go here, if I click down.
No, what I mean is in the studio.
Yeah, I don't see that.
You don't see this in the studio? That's strange. Okay.
I'm not sure why.
I wonder. Interesting.
Here, maybe I should leave and then.
What if I go to the YouTube and just see what's on YouTube?
Yeah, you could also do that.
I'm just trying to view whether this is actually saying I think we are live.
I believe we are. Yeah, we are. Got the live count. We have 13 people watching.
13 people. Wow, that's a lot.
12 people watching us on X.
Okay, but it doesn't show. It doesn't show actually the Visual Studio Code or anything. Huh? On X, or?
I'm just on. I'm looking at the test stream right now, so I'm not looking at like. What seems to be live.
Strange. Okay. I'll go ahead and remove that and then add it back. So you're in the studio. If you refresh the page, perhaps, maybe that's... Okay, it looks like you left the studio.
Yeah, that's expected.
All right.
Now I see it.
All right.
There it is.
So, and then I can add you back to the studio.
Now I'm on
Right,
stage.
there you are.
Yeah.
And now we can get rid of the code.
Yes.
And there's us, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we have these super views. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that we can put live code up on the screen. And we got all those nice little transitions and everything. What does it say? It says, we can see it on YouTube. All right, cool. So somebody says this, thank you for helping us. Mission on A.
All right.
And we can see it on YouTube, great.
Yeah.
So I'm going to call this a success. I guess, yeah, so now you can see the screen though, right? Or the code editor, Mike?
Yeah.
Okay, if I pan around, I just want to make sure that I'm able to do what I need to do and then let everybody see what they need to see. So you can see that it's scrolling around and things?
Yeah.
Okay. But it's not like zoomed up or anything weird.
No, it looks normal.
All right, good. So I think we should be able to use this to create some, and I don't know what the best size is going to be for everybody for these things, but we should be able to use this to create a nice code along environment. If you're checking out this test stream, check out the Texas Hackathon. Go to bsvhackathon.com. Maybe we can test a banner. We want to go to banner. Let's see. New folder. We'll call this Babbage banners. So if we have a Babbage banners folder and we want to create a banner, and we'll just say the banner is going to say, go to BSV Hackathon. Oh, you can scroll the banner too. We'll say win up to we'll win up to $30,000 in prizes for building a cool BSV app. Add banner. Show banner. And it's a
RGB.
ticker.
Yeah.
It's a ticker banner. So, all right.
I think that this picture-in-picture layout is going to be best for when we have speakers and we have code in the background.
Just because it makes the code wider.
Yes.
So like this one would be here.
We get a little more view space for the viewers.
All right, that makes sense.
Yeah.
And then this banner we can get rid of it.
Yeah.
But now we have the ability to add banners as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think we're going to be in a really good place to. All right, let's see if there's. The quality is a bit low, hard to read it. Okay, good to know. So what we can do is try to increase the quality. I think what we should try to do is we should figure out the stream settings. So like if I have code and it's up on the screen and it's like this size or something, I wonder how readable that is for everybody.
Well,
semi-readable.
Looks fuzzy for me. I've got mine full screened.
Okay, so we should try to.
We should try and up this quality a bit.
Increase the stream quality.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if I take this studio full screen,
yeah,
it's a little bit. And I have it locally too, so it's got to go through the network and everything. Let's see about. Yeah, I wonder. what the best thing is there. I think that's something we should look at with the platform, and then
We're gonna have to. We may have to pay them another $10 or whatever.
hopefully not. But we'll do what we have to do in order to get the best quality.
Yeah.
So we're going to be doing some code alongs. We're going to be doing some live Q&A with the BSV community, answering questions, showing how to build all of this technology and do it in a way that will empower people. That's important. So thank you to everybody who tuned in to this test stream, and I think we'll end it here. Yeah, I think this was a success. So thanks everybody for watching. Bye. How do we end stream? All right. Oh wait, can we add an outro? Let's try to add an outro. Add an outro.